Did you know Fiverr has powerful hidden features that most beginners never use? Features that can help you get more clients, save time, and even increase your earnings? Stick around, because today I'm revealing some of Fiverr's best kept secrets that can give you a real advantage in 2025. First, Fiverr has a custom offer system that many new sellers overlook. This lets you create tailored offers for buyers who reach out with specific requests. Instead of limiting yourself to standard gig packages, you can adjust pricing, delivery time, and extras to match exactly what a client needs. This not only increases your chances of landing the order, but also allows you to earn more for custom work. Another hidden gem is the Fiverr Analytics dashboard. Most beginners only see their earnings and messages, but Fiverr actually provides detailed insights into impressions, clicks, and conversion rates for your gigs. By analyzing which gigs get the most attention, you can adjust your titles, thumbnails, and descriptions to attract more buyers and increase sales. Fiverr also has buyer request notifications, a feature that can connect you to clients actively searching for services you offer. By checking these requests regularly and sending fast, professional responses, you can win clients before they choose another seller. Timing and responsiveness make a huge difference in competitive categories. Another little-known feature is Fiverr's quick response templates. If you find yourself answering similar questions repeatedly, you can create saved responses to reply instantly. This saves time and ensures you maintain a professional, consistent communication style, something buyers notice and appreciate. Lastly, Fiverr allows gig extras and packages that many beginners underutilize. By adding extras like faster delivery, additional revisions, or bonus services, you can significantly increase the order value without extra effort. Many top sellers earn more from extras than from the base gig itself. Knowing and using these hidden features can give you a serious advantage, especially if you're just starting or looking to grow your Fiverr income. Combining custom offers, analytics insights, buyer request monitoring, quick responses, and gig extras will help you stand out from the competition and make more consistent sales. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more Fiverr tips, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future freelancing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.